In this example, we're going to be changing from fractions to percentages. Extreme weather events occur on 6 days out of every 30 days. What is this as a percentage? Well, we can see in the question it says out of. So we can actually first of all write 6 days out of 30 days as a fraction. And maybe then we should look to simplifying that to see if we can write it in an easier way. We have got some prime factorisation to do. 6 is 2 times 3. 30 can be 3 times 10, and then 10 is 2 times 5. 3 times 2 times 5. So we can now see that we have got a common factor here. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And so if we rewrite that, we've got 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1, over 5. So that can be written more simply as 1/5. But we need to write it as a percentage. So a percentage per cent. So the word cent, just in the word a century or cents in a dollar, or a centipede is 100, 100 legs or 100 things. So we're now going to go out of 100. So our 1/5 has to be rewritten as something out of 100. So let's have a look at 100. 100, if it's broken down into its prime factors, it could be 2 times 50, it can be 2 times 25, and then 5 times 5. So 1/5 needs to be written as 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. So what we've got 1/5. So where we had a 5 here, we still have a 5, but now though we have multiplied by a 2, and a 5, and that's what we have to do to the numerator to make it equivalent. So we've got our 1, and our 1 is repeated there, and then it must be multiplied by a 2, and a 5 to make that equivalent. So 1/5 can be written as 2, 1 times 2 is 2, times 2 is 4, times 5 is 20. 20 over 100, and 20 over 100 is 20%. So extreme weather events occur on 20% of the time.